Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to access your Clever page through Lato High School. Many of you have probably used this page before for a different class. This is the first time that I have introduced this website, however, for our AP Language and Composition course. So I have posted the URL into our EDSB page where I posted about this video. Clever.com is a good place to start, but /in//hcps will probably take you to the login site. Mine automatically connects to my teacher account, but you should be able to log in using your EDSB login and it'll bring you to your page. Once you get there, you want to go to our class page. And on our class page, it shows a section for English 2 and a section for AP Language and Composition. So there are two different apps that we can use during this time if you are looking for extra help with preparing for the AP exam, or if you are looking for extra help in preparation for SAT, if that is something you are taking next year as you apply for colleges. So the first application is called CommonLit. If you were in my class as a sophomore, we've used this before. If not, it is a website in which different readings are assigned to your class, and there are questions, both multiple choice and short answer, that help you better comprehend the text and analyze how the writer is using different devices and strategies to create purpose for audience. So there are different things on here that you can use. Each reading has a lexile here. The higher the number, the harder the text. So all of these readings are appropriate for 11th and 12th grade, but you can practice with different lexiles. Notice this one is 1520, this one's 1890, this one is 1240. I have other ones I'm also assigning that are as low as 1000. So once you log into this, it should automatically connect you with your period. If I look at period 1, it already shows me all of the students who are connected via Clever. So you should already have an account ready to go once you log into your Clever page and click on the app. The cool thing about this is I can also track your student performance. I can track by period, I can track by student, I can also track by standard and see which questions are of the most difficulty for you. Now, I am going to offer extra credit for those of you who choose to participate in using CommonLit and answering questions. It is not a requirement for this class. Again, it's just for practice as we move towards the AP exam. If the FRQ is about analysis of a text, these practice tests would be perfect for practicing analysis of a writer and the text that they're creating for a particular audience. When you complete a text, so far there are 11 posted. I am going to post more. It just takes some time. When you complete a text, I will see a score here where there are dashes. If you score 75% or higher, I will give you extra credit for the text that you take. There are short answers, so be careful there. Make sure you are answering them completely and with text evidence. Make sure you are reading the questions thoroughly. I am the one who grades the short answer, not the computer, so make sure you are taking your time. Again, if you score 75% or higher on these short tests, then I will give you extra credit. Okay, so this is the first resource for preparing for the exam, and honestly preparing for SAT as well, called CommonLit. And right now there are 11 different readings to choose from, although I am adding many, many more so that you can kind of work at your own pace there. They have been posted today and they will be up until the end of the quarter. Even if we return to school on April 15th, I will still allow this to be a form of extra credit for this class. Okay? If you have questions about how to use CommonLit, make sure you reach out to me. The second tool we're going to use is called Khan Academy. Many of you probably have used this in your math class. Khan Academy also offers help with preparing for the SAT. So unfortunately, this app does not have a course for AP Lang, but it does have an SAT prep course. So for my first period students, you will need to go to the Khan Academy. When you click on the app, it'll ask you to create a profile, and you are going to use our class code to join this class. Let me find the class code. This is for my period 1 class. In order to join this Khan Academy, you will need to click on the app, create a user profile. Please make sure you are using your first name and your last name, not a fun alias, so that I know that it is you and I can assign extra credit accordingly. When it asks you for your class code, our class code is highlighted up here at the top. It is XUBDFVUC. If you are having trouble registering for Khan Academy, make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you sign up for the course. Okay? If you are in my period 4 class, you want to register with a different code. Your code is up at the top. E8SEUPK2. So that is the code you're going to use to register for Khan Academy. Again, this is strictly for help with SAT. They did not have AP Language as a course. So SAT is where it's at for this site. Okay, that's all I have for now as far as extra tools to use for SAT prep and the AP Lang exam. If I find more tools on Clever, or if I find other resources online, I will be sure to record another video and to share those options with you. Again, any participation in these courses will result in extra credit. You will be capped at a certain limit. You cannot continue collecting extra credit for every small video you participate in. So once you are capped out, I will let you know. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via Remind 101, or you can send me a message on Edsby.